Hey everybody, Stacy Hesser here, your favorite realtor in Southern Oklahoma, bringing you my latest listing. That's right, folks, we're heading out to Lake Texoma. Just check it out. I was out there on a beautiful day at the end of January. So sadly, all of the trees do, of course, they're bare. They're bare trees. But this property is close to the lake. It's about 2.5 miles from the closest boat launch area. And there it is. You can see that little slice of heaven from here. So that loop area that you see there, that is called Hollyhock Circle. And coming right at us is Step Road. So this property does come in just shy of an acre. And the wonderful part about this location is it is deed restricted. So you are required to either put in a permanent home, or you could also do a double wide. And as you can see, it's a pretty popular choice to do the newer double wides with a shop. People need to have a place to put their boat. I mean, what's the point of being by the lake if you can't have your boat right there on site, right? But there it is. Check out that beauty. I just love this. All right, so where exactly are we? So as you can tell, we are on Lake Texoma. The address is actually considered to be part of Kingston, which we are just south of that. There's Kingston, which is south of Medill, and then there's Ardmore, my home base. So like I said, this is a corner lot, and you might want to know, where's the nearest boat launch? Let's look it up. 7 minutes, and you can be dropping your boat into the lake. For more information on boat launches and campgrounds around Lake Texoma, I'll be sure to put a link in the description below, so be sure to check that out. But just look at this land. It's pretty flat. It does have a little bit of a slope to it, so you won't have to worry about groundwater. And that would be your view from the back. I mean, just look at that. Can't you just imagine the deer coming up? That's your view across the street, and then looking back out to that Hollyhock Circle again. Here's our view looking east, and then look at these mature trees. I just love this. And as you heard, the birds chirping earlier. So let's do a little bit of a drive around the neighborhood. So here I am. We're going to drive around that Hollyhock Circle. So that would be your neighbor across the street right there. So as I said, this is a deed restricted neighborhood, so permanent residential buildings and mobile homes are allowed. But if you do put in a mobile home, it shall be in good condition and would not be more than 5 years old when you move in. The mobile homes also need to be a minimum size of 1,250 feet. And as you can see, the yards all have to be well maintained. So looking up here is a shot of that big campground area and the boat launch. But my gosh, just look at that. So that's it. So long, farewell, I hate to say goodbye. But that's it, folks. We have to wave goodbye to this beautiful piece of property, but hit me up if you want more information on it. All of my information's below. You can call me, text me, email me. You take your pick. Just reach out.